Today I'm going to tell you about a new topper that I got to try, Top Secret by UniWigs. Toppers can be great for anybody that needs to cover up a patch or a scar on their head, but also anybody that wants to just add volume to their hair. This is Top Secret by UniWigs. This is in the color Vanilla Butter Blonde. Really a beautiful blonde color. And there's just like ever so slightly some rooting right around that base, which I actually really love because it's very close to my actual hair color. And if you look closely, you'll see that this has a silk top. So it's actually going to be the most realistic looking base that you can find. It looks just like your scalp. She also has 4 pre-installed pressure clips and a comb. The front comb is flexible, so it can curve with your head and it won't add any extra like stiffness. Top Secret has a 6.5 by 7 inch base, and the silk top area is this entire area right here, meaning that you can change up the part anywhere in that area and it'll still have that silk top. If you don't like that front comb, it can easily be removed. You can just take a seam ripper and take it off right around there, and it will not damage the topper or the hair. So I'm going to show you how to put it on and what she looks like on. You'll notice that when I put the topper on, I'm leaving out a little bit of my bio hair so that I can blend my bio hair into the topper. Opening and closing one clip at a time and scooping up a little bit of hair will allow you to get just the right amount of hair to add security to your topper without pulling or tugging on your bio hair. Next, I always use a brush or a comb to brush the hair up and away from my face. This helps incorporate your bio hair into the topper and eases that transition between your bio hairline and the topper hairline. As you can see, that transition's not bad. I will usually use a little bit of hair building fibers, or you could even use eyeshadow to kind of help ease that transition. My bio hair is not as full as the topper, so I like to add a little bit of fullness to my bio hair. This does have 130% density. The hair itself is very soft, super silky. And the nice thing about the length of this topper and the size of the base is it's really easy to pull back into a low ponytail. And you could even pull half of your hair up and pin it back. Overall, I think this is a great topper, really versatile, and I just think it might be my new favorite.